Fraternity brother charged in a Mizzou hazing case was due in court today for his arraignment.
Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley was at the hearing in Columbia, and she joins us live with the developments from the Boone County Courthouse. Emily.
Yeah, it was just 1 year ago next week that Danny Santulli rushed the Phi Gamma Delta fraternity at the University of Missouri. According to the family's lawsuit, Danny was ordered to drink a liter of vodka at an event. He's now in a wheelchair, unable to talk, is blind, and can't care for himself. Friday in court, an attorney for fraternity member Samuel Gandhi appeared in front of a Boone County judge, pleading not guilty. Gandhi was one of the 8 fraternity brothers that were indicted by a grand jury last month for hazing. According to the lawsuit, last October, Danny attended the Pledge Dad reveal night at the Phi Gamma Delta house. The suit says he drank so much he became unresponsive. After his Pledge Dad told him he had to finish the entire bottle of vodka by the time the event was over. This surveillance video from the family's lawyer, David Bianchi, is being used as evidence in the case. Just before midnight, Danny was sitting on the couch in distress. 30 minutes later, he partially slid off the couch, his face on the floor. The lawsuit names Gandhi as the fraternity member who picked up Danny off the floor and places him back on the couch. Indictment documents say that later that night, no one called 911. Instead, Danny was picked up off the couch and taken to the hospital in one of the brothers' cars. When they arrived, Danny was not breathing, was in cardiac arrest, and his blood alcohol content was 0.468%, nearly 6 times the legal limit. Danny now lives at home in Minnesota with his family. The family's lawyer has been told that 7 fraternity members have been expelled from Mizzou, but the university says that only 13 have been disciplined. Mizzou withdrew the fraternity's recognition, and the Phi Gamma Delta's national organization disbanded the university's chapter.
We are working and have been working for years to find ways to prevent hazing. We obviously want to eliminate it altogether.
Earlier this week, Mizzou sent an email to fraternity and sorority leaders with information about a new hazing prevention tool, offering 3 courses: Hazing Prevention 101, Hazing Prevention for Fraternities and Sororities, and HAZE.
And we want to encourage them to utilize these to train their organizations on what hazing is, how to identify it, and where to report it.
Now, that hazing prevention tool is not required, but the university is recommending it and is offering incentives to students who complete that training. As for Gandhi, he will be back here in court next month. Other fraternity brothers are set to have hearings later this month at the Boone County Courthouse. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Columbia, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.